Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Apify to Claude AI. To get started, open Claude and go to the New Chat page. This is a good starting point because it gives you access to the main workspace along with the account and settings options you'll need for the connection process. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to make sure you're signed in and that the interface is fully visible. Next, look to the bottom left area of the screen and click on your account. This opens the account menu where Claude keeps personal and workspace related options. If you don't immediately see it, just scan the lower left corner carefully, since that's where it typically appears in the sidebar. From the account menu, click on Settings. This is where Claude organizes its configuration tools, including integrations and connector options. Opening Settings will take you into the area where you can manage how Claude connects with external services. Once you're in Settings, click on Connectors. The Connector section is where you can view available integrations, manage existing ones, and add new services that work with Claude. This is the key area for linking Apify. In the Connectors page, move to the top right and click Add. This tells Claude that you want to set up a new connector. After selecting Add, you'll usually be presented with options for discovering or configuring available integrations. From there, click on Browse Connectors. This opens the connector library where you can search through supported services. It's a helpful way to quickly find the exact integration you need without manually entering setup details. In the search field, type Apify. As you enter the name, the results should narrow down and display the matching connector. Typing the exact service name helps reduce confusion, especially if several connector options appear in the list. When Apify shows up in the results, click on Apify. This opens the connector setup page where Claude provides the available connection option and any required permissions or setup details. Finally, click on Connect, or use the available button shown on the Apify connector page, and then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Depending on your account and permissions, you may be guided through an authorization flow before the connection is finalized. Read each screen carefully so you understand what access is being granted, and complete each prompt until the connector is successfully linked. Once that's done, Apify should be connected to Claude AI and ready to use.